Today I will show you how to set up Telerik components controls or Nuget package in your xamarin project. It's all simple and explained just in 5 steps. So stay tuned with me. At very first, we have to hit the URL telerik.com, and after that you have to make an account on Telerik trial version or paid version. So if you have not an account on Telerik, just click on this button here. After click, you will come to this page, and here you can log in if you already have an account, or if you are new user to Telerik, you can just hit this page, or you can see from there create a new account. After click on this button, you will come to this screen. Here are some fields that you have to put or fill, like email, first name, last name, company, country, and phone. As you create your account, then at third step, you have to hit the URL, which is this one, nuget.telerik.com.nuget. Basically, this URL helps you to activate the trial version of Telerik for your xamarin project and provides you all the xamarin Telerik packages. So as you log in it, you will come to this screen. I just make a sample xamarin project to show you how to attach our Telerik account that we made before on Telerik website in your xamarin project. We have to configure our login here. So click on add button. Here you can put any name, like I put here Telerik, make some sense. Now I will add the source or hit that. After that, I have to give my username and password. So here I will put my password. So here we go. Now we add another source in your project, which is Telerik. Okay, and we put OK here. Now we change configuration to Nuget org Telerik. So here. Now you have access to all the Telerik packages in your project. You can search here, like we will set up here, like Telerik UI for xamarin charts. So click on this add package, and you have to check all these. Now it takes some time mostly, but soon it will add in your project. As these 3 packages are included in your project, now we have to add one thing more, like here manage package, and you have to search for telerik.ui.4.xamarin. Just one package. Second last package from the bottom, you have to add this also in your xamarin project. So here is all the conclusion of this tutorial. We have to do just 5 steps. First, we have to go to the Telerik website to make an account. Then we have to hit then another URL to activate our access for the Telerik. Now making a project of xamarin.forms or login into the existing project of xamarin.forms. Right click on solution, manage Nuget packages and add another configuration of Telerik where you have to evaluate all the fields, the name, the URL where you get the configurations, your email and your password. After add this thing in your project, just you have to add your desired package in your Xamarin project. So in my case, I add the package which is xamarin.telerik.chart. So in next video, I will show you how we use Telerik graphs and charts in your project and how we can get the click event of Telerik graphs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.